We are ready.
Okay, today we're going to show you how to use the Morgan lens while using training with the Morgan lens training tool that we offer to hospitals for free. The Morgan lens comes in a sterile packaging. It's one lens per package and is sterile and disposable. Our Morgan lens delivery set is our IV administration set. As you see, it has a Y connector on the bottom, and it also has a clamp. If you didn't have to irrigate both eyes, you just clamp off one side. The Medi-Duct is our ocular fluid management system, and what that does is it wicks the fluid away from the patient so that you'll keep the patient drier during the irrigation. As we all know, it's a messy procedure. So right now I have everything already unpackaged. This is the Morgan lens itself. I'm going to hook it up now to the IV setup. Here is the IV setup. Just remove the cap. Attach the lure lock of the Morgan lens to the to the Morgan lens delivery set. And now here you can also on the patient instill a topical anesthetic if you wish. We suggest you use lactated ringer solution. It's closer to the pH of your own tears. And as you see here, here's how I have it clamped off on the one side. Now I'm going to begin a minimal flow because you want the fluid flowing just minimally before you insert the lens. That forms a barrier between the eye and the lens itself. Okay, now you're going to have the patient look down, and that removes the cornea away from inserting the lens. Hold the lens just like this. Have the patient look down, insert the lens under the lid, pull the lower lid down, and the lens drops in place. This is the Medi-Duct. Medi-Duct has a sticker on the back that you would attach to the side of the patient's head, and you would attach it right alongside as close to the eye corner as you can get, because you want to get this felt type material to start to saturate the Medi-Duct. And you can adjust the flow. Some patients like it extremely fast, some patients like it slow. But as you see, the Medi-Duct is, all of the solution is getting wicked away from the eye down into this bin, or you can have it into a trash can for easily disposable. Now for removal, you want to keep the flow at a minimal flow. And you also want to, at this time you can remove the Medi-Duct. Just remove the Medi-Duct and you can still see solution coming out. And the removal is opposite. You pull the lower lid down and pull the lens out like that. And as you see the solution still flowing, you stop the solution. And now here's where you want to check the pH of the patient's eye. You usually check it about 10 minutes after the irrigation, and if it's still not back to normal, you want to start the procedure again. You can use the same lens as long as you put it in a sterile place.
We're going to install it one more time. We'll put the Morgan lens in so you can observe it one more time.
Yeah, and I'm going to just remove the liquid from our training tool. But there's the training tool, and I'm going to start the solution again. Like I said, you can instill a topical anesthetic. And as you see, the solution is coming out very slowly. You just need a minimal flow. Have the patient look down, pull up on the upper lid, put the lens underneath the upper lid, pull the lower lid down, the lens drops in place. Here again, you would adjust the flow, and you would attach the Morgan lens, the Medi-Duct to the side of the patient's head. And then this collects the solution. As you see, it's going to collect and it wicks this solution away. You want to get it as close to the eye as possible, and it will go through this sheet of tubing and down into a bin. For removal, just remove the Medi-Duct. Keep the flow going as you're removing it. You want to have this is opposite procedure, so you want to have the patient look up. Then you'd retract the lower lid and the lens slides right out. Now here's where you can stop this flow of solution and check the pH balance until the pH is back to normal.